Did you know that a home inspection can potentially cost you thousands of dollars and even cause a deal to fail? Many sellers have faced the unfortunate reality of discovering costly issues that should have been addressed before listing their home for sale. According to industry experts, there are at least 33 physical problems that come under scrutiny during a home inspection. These issues can range from minor inconveniences to a major repair that is required, potentially impacting your finances and the successful sale of your home. We have identified 14 of the most common home inspection traps that sellers should avoid during a home inspection. Failure to address these issues could lead to deterring potential buyers, significant repair costs, and even the sale of your home. Take the first steps towards a stress-free home selling experience. Don't miss out on these valuable insights that can save you time, money, and stress during the selling process. Request your free report today. Call or text to 905-965-5902 for your copy and unlock the secrets to a successful home inspection process. Gain the knowledge you need to identify and address these potential traps before they become a costly surprise. Remember, a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and successful home selling journey.